Hi Canva lovers! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a table with AI in Canva Sheets, step by step. First, open your Canva Sheets and click on the cell where you want your table to start. Then go to the top menu under Actions and select Generate Table. A prompt will pop up asking you what kind of table you want to create. Canva provides pre-made prompts for things like a budget tracker, sales contracts, and more. For this example, let's pick the workout plan table. I'll change it from a 3-day plan to a 2-week plan and hit Generate. Canva's AI will quickly build the table for me. Once it's ready, you can ask it to add more weeks or make any other adjustments. If you're happy with it, just hit Insert, and the table is all set. And there you have it, a fully customized workout plan for 2 weeks. Canva's AI in Sheets is a game changer, making spreadsheets faster and more useful than ever. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments what other Canva tips you'd like to learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our new tutorials. See you in the next video.